Hello, my lovely foodie members, welcome back. And I hope everybody is doing perfectly fine. And to this video, I share with you this mouth-watering Ghanaian assorted meat and fish palm nut soup recipe. Very easy to put together and you will love it. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. To begin with everything, I will start by cooking my cow feet. It's very hard, so I'll be cooking this on high heat for approximately 40 to 1 hour. If you don't love the choice of protein that I use, feel free to use any protein of your choice. Now we are back to check on the protein after 40 minutes and it's almost done. I have this salted pork which I would love to add to it to cook alongside with it. So after cooking it for extra 20 minutes, this is what we have. It's looking super soft and the aroma in here is just amazing as well. So moving forward, I'll go in with my extracted palm fruit juice. I have a very detailed recipe on how you can extract your own palm fruit juice at home. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Okay, now after going in with the palm fruit juice, I also go in with a little bit of powdered pepper for extra heat. Feel free to use a fresh one if that is what you want. Okay, I'll stir everything together, and once that is done, I also go in with some fresh tomatoes. For vegetables, feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Okay, next I also go in with some tomato paste. I'll stir everything together very nicely, and I also go in with some onions. That is 2 medium-sized onions. Once that is done, I also go in with some precursor or Eden fruit for extra flavor. Last but not the least, let's go in with our fish. I'm using dry fish and fresh fish. As I said, feel free to use any protein of your choice. After going in with the fish, I will stir everything together. As you can see, this palm nut soup is very quick, and trust me, the outcome was amazing. You will love it. So all you have to do is to trust the process. Let's stir everything together very nicely. We will cover it on low medium heat and allow it to do its own thing. And we are back to check on it after extra 40 minutes, and this is how our soup looks like. It's looking very inviting already. Next, I'll remove my tomatoes and also the fresh onions, and I'll blend, and I'll come back to add it to it. While that is going on, I want to use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after going in with the blended vegetables, I also go in with some salt to taste. Always adjust to your taste. Stir everything together. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. And if you haven't so subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Do subscribe to my channel because it is absolutely free. And also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first persons to be notified. Thank you so much for your lovely support towards this channel. Alright, so after cooking the soup for almost 1 hour, this is the end result. It's looking super delicious and ready. Now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. This oven crime recipe was very easy to put together, but trust me, the taste was just amazing. All you have to do is to trust the process and your entire family will really enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much and see you in my next upload. Bye.